Hello there, everybody. Today we're going to be looking at the bigger Hisense 12,000 BTU air conditioner. Last year I reviewed the smaller version. It was the 8,000 BTU version. I'll link that in the description below. But it was so impressive and did such a good job and used so little energy that I thought I'd get the little bit bigger one to help cool our second floor that doesn't get very cool from our central air conditioner. So today we're going to be looking at this. So just being plugged in, we're pulling about 4 watts here. So that's our vampire draw. So let's kick this thing on. So we'll take a peek on high here. We'll let it rev up. So I'm not going to test this on every single setting. We'll just do it on high just to see the max. We'll let this run for a minute. We'll check back in. Alright, we're back here about 5 minutes later. We've been pushing 400, then it jumped up to 640-ish. It's been right around there for a bit. Again, this is on high and then eco. Pretty sure all eco does is when it reaches its temperature, it kind of just turns off completely rather than just running constantly. At least that's what we've experienced here. I'm just going to go turn this on low because when I ran it high enough. Alright, it's been about a minute on low, maybe 2. Super interesting. It's actually higher than on high. So it's about 680 watts on the low. There we go, we're jumping up to 690. So again, these are just running for a handful of minutes. I'll let this run for like a half hour, check back in, get our number on low, and we'll get a good idea of the range this thing has. Alrighty, it's been about a half hour. 655 is what we're rolling with here. Still on low, 61, as cold as it'll get. Now let's see what that looks like in our energy cost calculator. Alrighty, welcome back to the energy cost calculator. So first thing we're going to look at is that vampire draw. We're looking around 4 watts, let's call it 4. I'll put 24 hours a day here because it's always plugged in, but not for a year here in Pennsylvania, but just for food for thought, it's just about 1 cent per day and 40 cents per month. And if you did have it plugged in all year, almost $5 a month. So actually an actual amount of money there. So a decent draw, nothing crazy, but costing you something. And then let's look on low, which was more than high actually. And we're at 73 cents for 8 hours. So again, super reasonable, so much more efficient than my old air conditioner, and it's even 5,000 BTUs more power. So super impressed with these Hisense products. They're all app controlled, so you can turn them on from your phone. Hopefully this has been helpful, and we'll see you in the next one.